Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from DML, Dragon Model Line. And this is Seal 135th NAM series. Here on the top cover, we can see here four team members in various poses, equipment, and possible camouflage scheme. Take a little closer look at some of the additional text in the corners. And then if we look on these sides, here we can see here the same kit listed in this portion here, as well as number 3303, 3304, and this kit being 3302-03 with a barcode there. Various side there. Some more information in multiple languages. This is a copyright of 1990. Not sure if this is a reissue or not. And how the end flap looks there. Again, kit number 3302-600 versus 03, which possibly could be the year there. We continue on this side. The back cover, we can see here some of the paint suggestions as well as part locations for each of the figures. And you can see here illustrations by Ronald Volstad and some of the other material included in the kit. Let's go ahead and get this open. These are trees, and there's no other material inside. Set this aside. So we have trees in multiple bags, but enclosed in one large bag, and you can see that the accessory items included are in a different color molding sprue than the molding for the figures. Give you an idea of the level of detail. It does look like the detail on the gray sprue is finer than the one on the orange beige sprue, although that is pretty crisp right there. But pretty simple there. You have your figures, with some of the equipment for them, and then the armament here on the gray tree. So no decals included. So taking a very quick look at something from DML, Dragon Model Line. This is Seal from the 135th NAM series. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.